How to pair Fitbit Charge 6 to your phone. So first of all, you won't be able to do this directly in your device settings. You're going to do this through the official Fitbit app. So go ahead to your Play Store, App Store, and search for Fitbit. Like so, we've already installed it. And then just go ahead and open the app itself. Then just go ahead and sign into your account if you already have one. If not, you're going to have to create your account and then sign in. But once you've done all that, just go ahead and start your pairing. Go to your profile and then choose the setup a device. So it should look something like this. We're basically just starting over, so it's gonna give us this options already, but if you want to find this, it should be in your profile. So a device, press on add device, and then just find your Charge 6 or your Fitbit Charge 6. So it's pretty much right here, right below this thing, but find Charge 6. If you want to make sure, go ahead to the trackers and it's right here, Charge 6. So just start the setup. And then you will be able to get a step-by-step instruction on how to do this. It's very easy. Just follow the setup, follow the prompts. It will show up like so. Set up your Charge 6, place it on the charger, keep it charging until the setup is complete, and then the rest of the instructions. Eventually, if you follow these steps correctly, you will be able to connect or pair your Fitbit Charge 6 to your phone. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.